Exercise 48. The ages in years of participants in a research study are shown in the histogram on the left. So we can see that from 10 to 19 we got 3 participants, from 20 to 29 8, from 30 to 39 12, from 40 to 49 15, from 50 to 59 9, and then finally from 60 to 69 we got 3 participants. The oldest participant was recorded as 68 years old, but he was actually 42 years old. How would the mean and median of the data be affected if the age of the oldest participant had been recorded correctly? Okay, let's understand basically what mean and median are really. The mean, they are both measures of center, which means that they both try to estimate the set's central value. But they do it in a different way. The mean adds all the values together and divides it by their quantity. So in this case, we would have added all the participant ages and then divided by the number of participants. So in a sense, the median tries to spread the same quantities in a homogeneous way. So if we replace a value that was previously 68 by a value that is now 42, the mean will decrease. Okay, because the new value is less than the previous one. So for sure, the median would be less. Now, what about the median? The median is the value that theoretically is found in the middle of the data set. Here we have 3, or basically 8 plus 12, it's 20, 35, 44, we have 50 values, so the median would have been between the 25th and the 26th value. But these values are found in the interval from 40 to 49. They will be in that interval from 40 to 49, so the new value that we will also add will be on that interval. So basically, about the median's new value, we do not have a single idea of what will happen to it. The sure thing is that it will still be from 40 to 49, but whether it's going to be the same or whether it's going to decrease or increase, we do not have sufficient info about that. So overall, the mean would be smaller, but we cannot have any idea on the median's change, which means that the right answer for this specific exercise would have been C.